Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can actually earn money from YouTube while still working a 9-to-5 job. Now, I'm doing this video because so many people out there like, man, I would do YouTube, or I can't make money from YouTube. Man, I work a 9-to-5 job, man. I just ain't got the time. I can't do it. But I would love that extra income. I would love to have a side hustle. But I got that 9-to-5, baby. I can't do it, right? That's ridiculous, right? That's whack. That's an excuse. That ain't gonna cut it, right? Because you need to know you can make money from YouTube, or really anything, right, while still having a 9-to-5. Now, with YouTube, right, depending on what kind of way you want to make money with it, but the two most popular ways people make money from YouTube is having a monetized channel, which means, you get those ads put up on the videos and you get paid every time somebody watch a video, right? That's a popular way. And the second way, which can make you a lot more money than that, is actually doing like affiliate marketing or actually having your own product. But for the sake of this video, we'll just say affiliate marketing. That's where you have a product that you promote, and every time you sell it, you get a commission, right? Okay, so you're working 9-to-5. You're like, oh, Earl, that's cool, man. I like that. But I still work a 9-to-5. I don't got the time to do all that. Here's how you can make time. You need to understand that, especially in this day and age, it doesn't take a lot to produce a video. It doesn't take a lot of time to actually produce content, because that's what you're going to have to do to generate any sort of sales or whatever. And YouTube is a great place to do that, especially with YouTube having YouTube Shorts now. You literally can take your phone, right, put it on and be like, hey, what's up? Blah, 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 blah. Check the link in my description for more information. Done. Post it. Go on about doing what you're doing, right? Come on. Now, even if you ain't on that shorts thing, you still can make money just by normal long form videos. You still can do it. And this is how. You need to make time, right? You're like, I don't got time working 9-to-5. Listen, break it down. Look at your lifestyle, right? And find that time where maybe in your day, maybe it's a half hour after you get off work, or maybe you got a half an hour before you go to work, or the kids got a play date or something every Tuesday, a time where you can just take a half hour and just come up with video ideas on one day. Just a half hour. Even on your job, you could be thinking of like video ideas or whatever, right? Now, you got that little time that you set aside, and you literally need to make it clear. Put it on your calendar. Every Tuesday at 5:30, from 5:30 to 6 o'clock, I'm working on my YouTube, right? So you sit there and you say, okay, Tuesday, I'm gonna come up with ideas and concepts, all right? Thursday is gonna be my actual video shoot day, because you can start with just one video, right? One video. So Tuesday, you came up with your ideas. Wednesday, you don't do nothing because you're tired. Thursday, you actually like, all right, I got my little phone, because that's all you really need now is a phone. Or if you got a webcam, great, whatever. But now it's Thursday. You got your idea. You shoot the video, right? Edit it real quick, or if you don't even, maybe you don't even edit it, but you shoot it on Thursday, get it up on YouTube. Make sure you got a cool title. Make sure you wrote, a 5 to 6 sentence description. Make sure you put your little tags down, related to whatever you're talking about, whatever you're promoting, whatever, and you're up. So now by Friday, you actually have one YouTube video on your channel. Okay. So now you just repeat the process. And guess what? That took so little time to do, because it only should take you 10 to 15 minutes to shoot a video and get it up on YouTube, right? And it should only take you really a half hour, not even really that, to come up with some titles and some ideas, right? Brainstorming, right? You really could do all that in one day, but I'm just trying to really make it easy for you, right? So now this is how you can consistently drop a YouTube video all the time. Now, depending on the content you're creating, one of them videos could blow up. Seriously, one of them videos could blow up and actually allow you to get monetized, because on YouTube, yes, you do have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can get paid from ads. But damn all that, you can make more. You could be making money from video one just by finding affiliate products to promote, right? You can find affiliate products to promote and from day one start generating $25, $50 commissions. All right. So keep that in mind. Okay. So this is how you can be making money, and that taking that little hour out of your week, right? Taking an hour out of your week should not affect you at all. It should not affect your relationship. It shouldn't affect your working out. It shouldn't affect your 9 to 5. It shouldn't affect your kids. None of that. An hour. That's all it really takes. An hour a week. And if you can't do that, I don't even know what the hell you watching this video for, because I mean, you can't really get no easier than that. All right. Now here's an idea you can do. Because I was talking to somebody about this the other day, and I do this a lot. You can do batch recordings. Now this is how you can really up your game and still have a 9 to 5. So say on one day on the weekend, one of your off days, all right? One of your off days, you actually can batch record, which means you can shoot, say, 3 videos in like say an hour. You shoot 3 YouTube videos, and then you take the next hour or 2, and then you actually upload them to YouTube. You upload one and let it be public right then and there. You can take your other 2 to 3 videos and actually schedule them out throughout the week, right? So you can, post on Monday, right? But remember, you batch recorded. So now you can schedule one to go out on Wednesday, schedule one to go out on Friday, schedule the other one to go out on Sunday, right? So literally, while you're on your 9 to 5, your YouTube video will be dropping, potentially making you monetization money and earning you affiliate commissions. Come on now. Now you tell me you ain't got time to do that? Come on, that's how you can do it. Batch recording can work wonders. It can really, it can make you some serious money on YouTube if you decide to do that. But if you really don't got time to do that, start with what I just said. Take an hour, 1 hour, and just work on an idea, 1 video a week, get it up there, and you can start seeing results that way as well. All right. So if you want more in-depth training on affiliate marketing and how to use YouTube to make affiliate commissions, you might want to watch this video right here, right now.